We are not equal in our society. Some of people poor, some of people rich. If you be a poor person, never disappointed. Don't be upset. Wealth doesn't bring happiness for everyone's life. There are a number of people, they have property, they have wealth, but on the other hand, they are not happy. I think mental strength is extremely important for everyone's life. There are a number of poor people in our society. They are poor, but they have a mental strength and they are happy. They have peace in their heart. But on the other hand, the rich people, I know there are a number of people, they have wealth, but they are not happy. They haven't peace in their mind, peace in their heart. So I think mental strength is very important for everyone's life. We should always make and gather confidence in our heart and be peace in our mind. Then we will get peace in our society. We shouldn't disappointed to see others' happiness and wealth. We should always make confidence in our heart and do hard work. Hardworking person never ever fail and never ever lacks others. So we should always do hard work and believe ourselves. If we just look at others, those who have wealth, but we are just looking, not working, we won't get good result in our life. We won't achieve something. So what should we do? We should always be patient and do hard work. By this we will get something better in our life. If you tell us to see someone's well, so what is your benefit? It doesn't give you the exact result. So we should, when we see the someone's well, we should clap and say, oh, he is doing great, so as well as I can doing well. So this is the really extremely important for everyone's life. So those who are successful in their life, they have been changed every single moment their life. That's why they are doing well in their life. So we should, like this way, change our life to do something better. So that's why I always say, make confidence and do something better by your own self. Then you can achieve something good. Don't be disappointed to see others' happiness. So I want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Bye bye.